the Oceanarium in Lisbon. Going to the Aquarium today. They've got this pretty cool footbridge here. You can just walk across these stepping stones. Let's go check it out. The calçadas at this museum are all done with ocean theme. Seems like some jellyfish over there, sea serpent, and there's a dragon.
Il mare in tutta la mia vita.
O mar para mim dá-me uma tranquilidade e é o meu mestre, é o meu guia espiritual. Sinto-me conectada, sinto-me que faço parte deles.
Pretty cool. They don't attack each other. They don't bother each other. I was reading the reason they don't is because they're so well fed. They don't.
Descobrimos há pouco tempo foi que além de ficar mais vermelho, mais laranja escuro, fica também de...
They have this great interactive screen, and I want to learn about attification, and it opens up. It's in English, and then if I don't want it anymore, I can clear that out and look at when I touch the screen. I touch the screen and it's like I'm touching water. So cool. It's like Mission Impossible screen. Mr. Penguin. Mr. Penguin. Hi guys. Oh, look at them all swimming. Look at them all swimming. Shopping penguins. Shopping penguins. See, they're going to go get all their Christmas gifts. They're going in this mall over there. And then they exit the mall over here. Little shopping penguins. And I just saw a bird poop from above come sailing down. And it nearly got me in the head. But it got the glass instead. Oh, look how he rubs his belly. This otter is grooming his tail. That otter's playing with a ball. That's what they do all day long. They groom themselves. They have 155,000 hairs per square centimeter. They don't have fat like most other sea animals, so they have to groom all day long to spread the grease around their fur. Can you imagine 155,000 hairs per square centimeter? Amazing.
I'm nice to show you.
It's the tropical forest. So you got all your tropical fish that I just filmed, and you get to walk up here. So if you've never seen flounder in action, this is a pretty cool exhibit. Right there. Now watch. See them? Moving around. There's a big guy right there. That's a sandray, I guess. Stingray like a sandray. But these are flounder. See me? There he goes. Those little guys are pretty poisonous. Look at that. See him crawling? With a bright black and yellow. Got like a maroonish color with white. Back there, he's a combination green and yellow. There he's on the move. I'm pretty sure these are little poisonous frogs. The Indians would put poison on their darts. Of course, I'm speaking without reading, so it's speculation. This is the Portuguese almoço fish. He's taking a nap after he eats his lunch. Just kidding. That was a joke. Wow, look at the anemones. I had no idea there were so many colors. I don't know why. I didn't know there were so many colors of anemone. I guess I kind of knew, but when you see it in a cluster like that, wow, it's pretty cool. Look, they're like white and blue, white and purple, just blue, real pretty. And they will sting. This is where Nemo lived. Didn't bother Nemo though. So these are called sea dragons. Looks like grass, but look. It's alive. It is a sea dragon, and it's a living, breathing creature that looks like a plant. Isn't that amazing?
It's like those you call those horses?
Seahorse, but it's not a seahorse.
They're related.
They're sea dragons.
They're connected, related to them. So these are living too?
No, those are just to show you that that's what they mimic.
I can't believe that's a real picture. Hard to believe, right?
Hello, camouflage. That's what I mean. Like God made that thing looks like a plant, but it's a living creature.
And I imagine you can't even eat that. You can't video it. I can't believe that's a living creature.
And this is a pineapple fish. It has armor. He's going in the back of the rock a little bit. Here's another one. Looks like that fish is trying to eat off of the starfish. There's another starfish. The aquarium glass. They have a great area for the children here to learn about the ocean and how not to waste water in the bathroom, in the kitchen, and other parts of the house. Let's see what's in here. Oh, a little library. A little bit of a movie about saving the earth. Really cute. Really pretty purples, like it's like a violet color. Here's Nemo. I found Nemo. There's a couple of Nemos.